Hello guys, in this video I will show you a secret website where you can access top premium models including Claude Opus, Claude Fable, Gemini, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek, Kimi K3. So the website name is OneHop.ai. If you go to the browser, directly type this address, the landing page will come directly. So it's a OpenAI compatible API where you will get access to all these models for completely free. And now to get the API, it's quite easy. You click on sign in, and they have the option to sign up using your Google account. So it just take 2 to 3 minutes to sign up and then integrate your API key. So I'm using this website for past 6 weeks. So the interface is quite simple. Due to risk controls, newly registered users can currently join the Telegram group. The more you top up, the more you get. So once you sign up, as you see, unfortunately at this moment of time they haven't given me this $1. You can top up by clicking this top up button. Just add your credit card and like this you can top up. I think you do need to join their Telegram group to actually claim this $1 of free credit. So yeah, they do give this, but you do need to just join their Telegram group. Coming back to the models, all the models are supported. As you see, we have Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, Claude Fable, Minimax, GPT, Claude Sonnet, Kimi K27, Claude Haiku, and now to create the API key, it's quite easy. You give it a name. So just copy the API key to clipboard and we have this chat section. As you can see that from here you select the model. So insufficient credits error will come. So as I showed you earlier, you do need to just join the Telegram, because I don't have Telegram right now, so I can't join. So you can claim the $1 trial credit. Just join the Telegram group, and then you can use this chat section to actually access any model for totally free. And they have given this complete example in Python, as you see. So it's very easy to integrate this. Simply paste the example, and right here you need to get the API key that you copied. So, so here all the data will come, how much request you made. So, so you paste the API key right here. The process is very simple. You put the model name and then you put the message, and then you run the actual. Again, the error will come that insufficient credits. But I showed you the way how to call this API. It's very simple. Just join their Telegram group to get the $1 free trial credits, which will be more than enough to actually try out all the models. So definitely check this API out, guys. It's really simple. Interface onehop.ai. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment.